folks, welcome back to the Drive Vault. If you're as obsessed with RVs as I am, you're in for a treat today because we're diving into the 2026 Airstream travel trailer. Specifically, I'm thinking of models like the Flying Cloud, or Trade, Wind that are getting some killer updates. I've been following Airstream for years, and let me tell you, this upcoming lineup is shaping up to be a game-changer for anyone who loves hitting the road in style without sacrificing comfort. Imagine that iconic silver bullet design, but polished up with modern twists that make it even more adventure-ready. Let's jump right in and chat about what makes this 2026 Airstream so special. First off, the exterior. Oh man, it's still got that timeless aerodynamic aluminum shell that's been turning heads since the 1930s. But for 2026, Airstream's cranked up the durability and looks. Picture a shiny, riveted body that's lightweight yet tough, with options for bold accents like black trim on the new Midnight Flamingo package for the Flying Cloud. They've improved the backup camera placement, tucking it under the rear awning for better protection and a cleaner vibe. And if you're eyeing something like the Trade Wind, it's got that extra off-grid edge with enhanced solar guards and rock protection. Compared to older models, the 2026 versions feel more refined. No more bulky add-ons. Everything's streamlined for easier towing and a sleeker profile on the highway. Now, while this isn't a self-propelled rig with its own engine, it's a travel trailer meant to be pulled by your truck or SUV. The performance is all about efficiency and stability. Airstream's legendary shape cuts through the wind like a dream, helping you save on fuel during long hauls. For the 2026 models, they've bumped up the gross vehicle weight rating on some floor plans, like the Trade Wind 23FB going to 6,500 pounds, so you can load up more gear without worry. Towing feels smoother thanks to the balanced design. And if you're pairing it with a powerful tow vehicle, say a half-ton pickup, you'll get solid handling even on curvy roads. Past models were great, but these updates make it easier to maintain speed and control, especially with the improved hitch and axle setups. Speaking of off-road features, Airstream's not turning these into full-on overlanders, but they're stepping up for those who want to venture off the pavement. Take the Basecamp models. The X package is now standard on the 16X and 20X, with all-terrain Goodyear tires, a 3-inch lift kit, and stainless steel rock guards to handle rough trails. For larger trailers like the Trade Wind, the focus is on off-grid capability, with beefed-up solar systems and power management that let you boondock for days. It's a big leap from earlier years, where you'd run out of juice quicker. Now, you can power fridges, lights, and even AC without hooking up. If you've owned a pre-2025 Airstream, you'll notice how these changes make remote camping way more feasible, turning a weekend getaway into a full adventure. Let's step inside. The interior updates for 2026 are where the luxury really shines, and it's got me buzzing. Airstream's all about that premium feel, with neutral palettes, plush seating, and smart layouts that maximize space. In models like the International or Globetrotter 25FB and 27FB, they've added a new bathroom window with a roller shade for that fresh airflow and natural light, without compromising privacy. The kitchen's a standout, with polished marble countertops, stainless steel appliances, a built-in sink, and even options for a wine cooler, perfect for whipping up meals on the go. The living area features comfy velvet or leather sofas that convert for extra sleeping, plus a sleek entertainment setup with upgraded audio like the Klipsch system in some packages. Head to the bedroom, and you've got a king-sized bed with silk-like bedding and ambient LED lighting that makes it feel like a high-end hotel room. Compared to past models, the 2026 interiors are more customizable and efficient. Think better airflow from new AC vents, a beefier 80A converter for handling more devices at once, and even a security camera in the door for peace of mind. No, more feeling cramped. It's spacious, realistic luxury that's built to last. And don't get me started on the bath or spa area. It's like your own private retreat. With marble tiles, a glass-enclosed shower, gold accents, and plenty of storage, it's a far cry from the basic setups in older Airstreams. The 2026 models make everything flow better, with easy access switches and upgraded fixtures that scream upscale. How does it stack up against previous years? Well, if you remember the 2024 or 2025 lines, those were solid. But 2026 refines everything. More power, better lighting, and those little touches like the redesigned sofa in the Classic that lays flat for guests. They've retired some special editions like the REI Co-op or Pottery Barn collabs, focusing on core improvements that appeal to everyday adventurers. It's evolution, not revolution, but it feels fresher and more capable. Now, pricing. Always the big question, right? For a 2026 Airstream like the International 27FB, you're looking at an MSRP around $144,000, depending on options and dealer. Smaller models like the Bambi start lower, maybe in the $60,000 range, while premium ones like the Frank Lloyd Wright, limited edition, only 200 being made, could push $150,000 or more. That's a bit up from past years due to the upgrades, but you're getting better value with the standard features. Check with your local dealer for exact quotes, as availability ramps up soon. All in all, the 2026 Airstream is a dream for anyone, chasing that perfect blend of classic style and modern convenience. Whether you're a full-timer or weekend warrior, it's got the design, features, and performance to elevate your travels. If you're excited about this 2026 Airstream review, hit that like button, subscribe for more RV news, and drop a comment. What's your favorite feature? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the road.